paligid mo. Kapit sa akin, ikaw ay aking tuturuan. Mga problema, kamanang sumakapulipon. Huwag ba ako sumabay, ganyan lang talaga ang buhay. Come on! Naman kailangan galaw kaya sabay ka lang, oh baby. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah. Come on, come on. Lumipat sa kalawakan, lumiiwan na taro-taro. Huwag ka muna mayawa, kailan ko walang iya. Kung nais mong magulaw na makakapigil, pupuskahan, isayaw mo lang, isayaw mo lang. Yung mewa, yeah. Oh, baby. Wow. Three, four. Naman kailangan galaw kaya sabay ka lang, oh, baby. Oh, come on. Come on. Lumipat sa kalawakan, lumiiwan na taro-taro. Huwag ka muna mayawa, kailan ko walang iya. Kung nais mong magulaw, wala makakapigil. Huhusgahan, sayaw mo lang. But come on! Hey! Malasing sa tama na, sarap ng musika, ating mo ng kanta, sayaw mo lang! Woo! Sarap ng musika, ating mo ng kanta, sayaw mo lang, sayaw mo lang! Woo-hoo-hoo! Isayaw mo lang, Timo! What was that?
Grabe naman yun.
Grabe ka
Ano
naman.
pa
Enjoy
naman?
the performance. Welcome back on the Idol stage. And of course, bago ang lahat, we say happy birthday to you.
Thank you so much.
Happy birthday. How young are you? 7 years old?
Ay, hindi.
That's okay. No,
Happy
but we are so
birthday!
happy.
Happy birthday. Pero ito, may tatanong ako. Okay ka na? Pwede. Kaya na, kaya na. Okay.
Okay
Ito,
na po.
Kimo, bukod sa homecoming at birthday mo, ikaw pa daw ay may regalo sa amin. Ano ba itong regalo na to? Nag-abala ka pa? Grabe ka na.
Siyempre, ma'am.
Ano to?
Ano yun? Yun nga po, ladies and gentlemen, kaka-release ko lang po ng album ko yesterday.
Yes!
And it's a self-entitled album. And it's called Chemo. And after 3 years, guys, nabuo na namin yung album.
Wow.
And ayun, I've worked with a lot of producers. I've worked with a lot of musicians. And ayun, sobrang nakakatuwa lang dahil mapapakinggan na ng maraming tao yung mga kanta. Because of Idol Philippines. And yeah, from the very start. And yeah, itong stage na to nagdala sa akin kung anong meron ako ngayon.
We appreciate you. But speaking of this stage, no? Ano ba yung mensahe mo for our kitty hopefuls? Lalo pat minsan, umupo ka rin dati dyan.
Yes. Meron lang ako nabasa na isang phrase lang.
Okay.
To inspire is the greatest human act. So kapag nandito ka sa stage na to, all you need to do is present yourself and to tell your story as pure as possible. Dahil dun mo mararamdaman and dun rin mararamdaman ng maraming tao kung gaano ka kahalaga and gaano ka ka-authentic bilang artist and gaano ka alam mo, totoo
Yes, yes.
sa mga ginagawa mo.
Thank you. Actually, with that performance, you inspired us all.
Yun lang. Pero pinagpawisan talaga ako dun.
Ramdam namin, no?
Parang ako nag-shower eh.
Hindi
I'm
lang
sure-
kanta yung ginawa niya sayo. Binigyan pa tayo ng bonggang
Performance
sayaw.
at its best, okay?
Correct.
I'm sure you got a lot of things going on. And before we let you go, syempre we want to ask judges Gary and Regine.
Well, wait lang, parang bumabalik ako eh.
Mabalik yung feelings, no? Ano pa masabi niyo sa ating Idol Grand Winner na si Kimo? Gaano ba kayo ka-proud sa kanya? Nakita niyo ba yung growth niya?
Akala ko
Kitty hopeful din siya.
Ano masasabi
Grabe
mo sa-
naman, kay height lang. Hindi naman ano.
Muntik na siya manalo. Oo, muntik ko na siyang i-judge.
I think we have a vote, no?
I think we have a vote. It's a
We have a
yes.
vote. So, yeah.
Balik sa audition.
May binulong si Miss Reg kanina.
What's that?
Ano sabi niya, si Kimo ba yan? Ang laki niya na, no?
But seriously, Ate Reg,
No, but congratulations. We are all very, very proud of you. After 3 years, ito yung pinaghirapan mo talaga at
Yes.
mapapakinggan na ng mga tao. So congratulations.
thanks, Ate Reg. Sir Gary.
Wow. Kimo, you know that from the very start, sinabi ko sa'yo na believe ako sa talent mo. It is so good to see it come this far, and I know it's going to go even farther pa.
Further, yes.
So the album is out. Meron pa siyang version ng hataw na medyo kakaiba ang dating. Pero Kiddie Hopefuls, learn from the people that come before you, like this champion from Idol Philippines. Kasi isa sa inyo ay magiging champion din, ang grand winner, katulad ni Kimo.
Thank you sa ating judges. Well, definitely, you carry the heart and the talent of a champion. Once again, palakpakan po natin kapamilang panig kay Energy. Give it up for Kimo!
Happy birthday!
Thank you, brother. We'll celebrate soon.
Salamat!
Love you, Kimo.
Ay, galing talaga. Pero ito, tulad ni Kimo, syempre, ang favorite ninyong Kitty Hopeful ay pwede ring maging next idol ng bansa.
Just like last week, tandaan, na 3 sa 9 na Kitty Hopefuls na ito ang aabot sa ating final showdown. 2 po ay magmumula sa scores na ibibigay ng ating judges at ang isa ay magmumula sa boto niyong viewers.
Kaya, be ready to save your future idol. At kung paano, panoorin niyo to.